everybody.
Namaste.
Box, fourth
Good
standard,
morning.
please use the chat box. Namaskar everyone. Happy sunshine everybody and mixed monsoon as well. How are you all today? After exam, how are you all feeling? I'm fine and good. Thank you so much, Mishti, for always showing me your concern. Lord, after exams, how are you all feeling? Well done, well done. Everybody is feeling fine, well, fresh. Okay, all right. Swarit, everyone, please turn off your mic and one of you please turn on your camera. Today in this class, अभी हमारी एग्जाम हुई है complete, right? So we are going to recall each and every chapter first. आप लोगों ने थोड़ी थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक की है कहीं कहीं पे एग्जाम में. So let's recall from chapter number 1 what we have studied, a quick recall. Okay, then I'll be introducing with you our today's topic, right? So let's start. Alphabetical order. Who will tell me what is alphabetical order? Alphabetical order. Yes, Khushi, come here, beta. Khushi is coming here to explain what is alphabetical order, right? Yes, Khushi, start, beta.
The meaning of alphabetical order is the order in which the letters are in A to Z are called alphabetical order.
Very good. She says that the sequence of the words are to be put in A to Z order, that is known as alphabetical order. It means the sequencing of the words arranged as per A to Z manner, arranged as per A to Z sequence is known as alphabetical order. She is absolutely correct, right? Now, second is sentences. We have learned about sentences. Sentences are group of words that are combined to deliver us the correct meaning. Sentences are group of words that are arranged properly to deliver us some meaning. Suppose I'll give you an example that Ram goes to the market. Ram the market going. क्या ये sentence है? क्या ये sentence है?
No, ma'am.
No. Ram is going to the market. Is it a sentence? Yes. Why? Because it is delivering us the correct, the full meaning. That's why it is a sentence. Right? So what do we learn from the example? That a sentence is group of words that deliver us the meaning. Right? That makes a complete meaning, or a sentence always begins with a capital letter, ends with full stop, exclamation mark, or question mark as per their different categories. If it is an interrogative sentence, we will write a question mark at the end, right? If it is a strong feeling wala sentence, we will put an exclamation mark at the end, right? And if it is a simple sentence, assertive sentence, or if we say declarative sentence or simple statement, we are going to put a full stop at the end, right? Our next chapter was nouns. Everybody knows nouns? सबको nouns पता है? Yes. Now nouns. Nouns are naming word, name of person, place, animal or thing, right? Nouns are the naming word, name of person, place, animal or thing. Nouns have different categories. Nouns have different categories. What are they? Common noun and proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun. Remember और सब गया एग्जाम गई तो remember, everyone remember. Okay, well done. So let's see what is collective noun, common noun and proper noun first. Then we will see what is collective noun. Then we will see what is collective noun, and then later on we will see abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun. So firstly we will be seeing common noun, right? Common nouns are not properly or particularly specified. They are general name of person, place, animal or thing, right? The general name of person, place, animal or thing is known as common noun. Proper nouns are specified. They are particularly mentioned, right? They are particularly specified. They are special name of person, place, animal or thing. Now collective nouns. Collective nouns are group of person, place, animal or thing. Right? Group of person, place, animal or thing is known as collective noun. For example, a bunch of keys, a litter of puppies, a group of boys, a class of students, or we can say herd of sheep. Right? Now let's see abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are the nouns that name the qualities, that identify the qualities, ideas or feeling, right? Abstract noun को हम देख नहीं सकते, सुन नहीं सकते, we cannot touch it, but we can feel it. That is abstract noun. For example, honesty. For example, courage, love, bravery, happiness, truth, life, friendship, and so on, right? Now let's see countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted, right? Uncountable noun, we cannot count it, right? Countable nouns comes with book, table, chair. We can count this thing, right? Can we count rice? Can we count rice, wheat? No. Sugar? No. Milk? No. So they all comes under uncountable nouns, right? Now we have seen in chapter number 8 adjectives. Adjectives are known as describing words. We are learning it from our first standard. In first and second standard, it is known as describing words. From third onward, it is known as adjective. Describing word describe what? Noun. Describing word describe noun. Right? It describes the naming word. कि noun कैसा है? How the noun is. Right? The noun, how the noun looks, how the noun tastes, how it smells, what is the quality, what is the quantity. Everything has been described by the adjective. Am I clear? We will take an example of apple. Apple is round, red, tasty, then sweet, right? So this all sweet, tasty, round, red are adjective, are describing word, that is describing a noun, that is apple. Am I clear to everyone? Let's move to the 9th chapter, articles. Articles are a and the. We have learned articles in our lower standard. What are articles? Articles are a and the. We write a with consonant, n with vowel, and the with particular thing, specific thing, or the thing which is unique, which is one in the whole world, right? We put the before it. We put the in the names of river, mountain, newspaper, famous monuments, right? We put the over there. Am I clear to everyone? Swarit, are you feeling sleepy? Go and wash your face. Come on, everyone. Now let us see our today's topic. I'm not feeling well today. I don't want to go to the market today. I do not want to sleep today. I do not want to study today. ये सारे sentences क्या बता रहे हैं? ये सारे sentence क्या बता रहे हैं? Negativity. Am I clear? Negativity. So today's topic is chapter number 5, negative sentences. Please come to chapter number 5, negative sentences, everyone. Chapter number 5, page number 19. Kinds of sentences we had already completed. So we will be coming to chapter number 5, that is negative sentences, page number 19, 1919. Everyone, please take out 5 negative sentences. I'll be showing you few pictures through screen sharing. So, and I will request Misty to read it out. And here I am doing screen sharing. I hope it has started. I hope the screen sharing has been started.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Misty. And here we go. I would like to give you one activity. Can you please read it for me? Are you able to see it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please read it for me? Rest others,
Yes, ma'am.
please turn off your mic. Except Misty, others please turn off the mic. Yes, beta, you can start, Misty.
Okay, ma'am. Negative sentences. Favorite negative quotes.
Quote.
You will never succeed at anything if you don't try. If you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all.
Very good.
Negative sentences in English usually use
One more
a
is there.
helping
Beta,
word.
one more is there. Beta, one more is there. Winners never quit and quitters never win.
Yes. Negative sentences in English usually use a helping verb plus not or plus the main verb. Examples: don't go, he didn't like the book, I can't find my keys, or Joe won't listen anymore.
Listen to the animal. Very good, very good. Well done. And
Ma'am, this was
here I am. Okay, bacha. It's all right. Now, here I am having few more sentences. जो मिस्टी ने समझाया, it was all the negative quotes, but showing the positivity, right? सारे नेगेटिव कोट्स थे मगर सब में से पॉजिटिविटी आ रही थी. अगर आप अच्छा नहीं बोल सकते तो आप बोलो ही मत, राइट? वो कोट हमने देखा. सेकेंड कोट जो था, द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट कोट इज, if you can't speak a good thing, a positive thing, you are not able to, you need not have to speak anything, right? Just keep quiet if you can't speak good things, right? In that all the sentences, not, couldn't, ये सारे words के use हो रहे थे, doesn't, not, right? So that's all the things in which the sentences in which we add not, never, don't, or apostrophe T to the verb, that comes under negative sentences. Here I have few examples of negative sentences. Swarish, can you please read the first 3? Swarish, can you please read the first 3, which is displaying in the screen? Swarit Amrutya, can you please start reading the first 3 sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
They
start.
don't live near hero.
Here. They don't live near here.
I am sorry, but this is not minute.
Mine. Mine. Mine means mera. It is possessive pronoun. Okay. Let's start the third one. Swarit.
This old man was not. नाम क्या है नोट के बाद
Actually right. Actually right. Very good. Swarit, बेटा आपको रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करनी है घर पे. ओके. Read at least one paragraph regularly. You can start with reading one paragraph regularly, and then you can start reading one page before going to the bed, right? Okay, sorry. Now the next sentence, I would like to request Prachi Adroja. Prachi Adroja, if you are present, can you please start reading 4, 5 and 6 sentence? 4, 5th and 6th one. Prachi Adroja. Prachi Adroja, can you please start reading 4th, 5th and 6th sentence? Am I audible to you, Prachi? Somebody please check Prachi is absent or present.
Can I check?
Yes, beta, you can.
Ma'am, Prachi is present. Ma'am, Prachi is present. Prachi is present.
Prachi, can you please start reading it, beta, if you are present? Don't be shy. We all are your friends. Come on, Prachi, start reading, beta. Prachi, if you will not read, I will not put your present today. I'll put absent in the attendance sheet. Prachi, start reading, beta. Am I audible to you, Prachi?
Live near there. I am sorry, but this is not
Beta, you have to read 4th, 5th and 6th one. Prachi Adroja, you have to read 4th one, 5th one and 6th one.
She does not love to play games.
To play piano.
Because
There was no speech or
agent on set of his building. He does not catch her bus every morning.
well done, Prachi. Why you was not responding, beta? पहले क्यों response नहीं कर रहे थे? Absent वाली बात आई, then you तुरंत सबका mic on हो गया, हाँ? Well done. But you have to take part in each and every activity, okay? Whether it is class activity or whether it is your homework activity. Now, let's start the next sentences with Harshil Aghara. Harshil Aghara, start reading 7th, 8th and 9th. Harshil Aghara.
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading 7th, 8th and 9th.
Alex, it's not telling the truth. I don't know. I don't want to drink too much. He could not get unhealthy food.
Very good. Well done. If you have noticed each and every sentence, I'll be sharing this photo with you all in the WhatsApp. If you want to read it, you can read. If you want to practice this kind of sentences, you can. Now, listen to me, learner. अगर आपने ये सारे sentences को अच्छे से observe किया हो, तो इन सब में is not, does not, but not का यूज कर रहे हैं हम, राइट? वी आर सेइंग कि ये हमसे नहीं हो सकता या वो ये नहीं कर सकता. राइट? हमने ये सारे सेंटेंसेस देख के इसमें हमने ये चीज नोटिस की. Am I clear to everyone? All
Yes,
this
ma'am.
sentence is representing. All this sentence is representing negativity. Not. That's why they are known as negative sentences, right? That's why they are known as negative sentences. Now
Ma'am.
open your textbook. Now everyone please open your textbook and let's start our textbook content. And the textbook content is, read these sentences. She's at home. They are in school. I am a good swimmer. These are affirmative sentences. ये कैसे sentences है? Affirmative, simple sentences that are stating something, right? But if we say affirmative or we can say positive sentence as well, हम इन्हें positive sentences भी बोल सकते हैं. Now if we move forward and if we see that they do not have the word no or not in them, that's why they are not negative sentence. But if we add no and not, so let's see, the sentence will become like this. She is not at home. They are not in school. I am not a good swimmer. So in the above sentences, they are positive. But in the second part of the sentence, no and not is used. That's why they are negative, right? So when a sentence has the verb, is, are or am, we add not after the verb to make the sentence negative. हम वो sentence negative कैसे बनाते हैं learners? By putting not after is, are or am. Let's see the first exercise. The water is cold. Everyone take out your pencil and eraser. The water is not cold. Is भी आएगा ना बेटा? When a sentence has the verb is, am, are, we add not. Misty, we will write is as well. Let's write it down the topic, that is fifth. Negative sentences. Right? And what about today's date? Today's date is
31 July.
31 July.
Very good. Page number 19 in textbook, beta. Grammar textbook, page number 19, negative sentences. One of you turn on your camera. One of you please turn on your camera so that my screen would be visible whole, full. Thank you.
Sorry, my
Now
camera is not on.
It's okay, Misty. Dancy has done it on. Now let's start with the first one, that is affirmative. And the second is negative. And here we go with the first one. The water, in the affirmative sentence it is written, the water is cold. Oh my God, the water is cold. If we see the negative sentence, what would be the negative sentence? The water is not cold. The water is not cold. Right? Now let's see the next one. Turn the page, everybody. Come to the next page. Page number 20. In page number 20, negative sentence is given to us. We need to write it down, the positive one, the affirmative one. Negative sentence दिया है. These trees are not the oldest in the forest. in the forest. Very good, Khushi. We will be writing these trees
I don't know.
are the oldest in the forest. In the forest. Now let's see the C1. I am happy with the test result. I am happy with the test result. Here we would be writing, I am not happy with the test result. I am not happy with the test result. After that, let's see the D1. The birds are not in the nest. The birds not in their nest. The birds are in the nest. Or we will write the birds are in their nest. The birds are in their nest. Everybody is writing with good handwriting.
Yes,
Okay, well done. Now let's see the next one. That is, the crossword puzzle is easy. The crossword puzzle is easy. We will be writing that the crossword puzzle is not easy. The crossword puzzle is not easy. All right, everyone. Now, if we see the next thing, to make an imperative sentence is negative and not. Okay, I'm not erasing anything, Dancy. Don't worry, I'm just reading the content which is given below. And the content is, to make an imperative sentence negative, we use the word do not and don't. Come inside. Do not come inside. Take out your book. Don't take out your book. Here we are going to do the second exercise on the basis of this only. Complete your first exercise immediately so that we can start the second exercise. And third exercise of page number 21 is the homework. Well done, beta. Third exercise. Third exercise of page number 21 is your homework. Third exercise of page number 21 is your homework. In third exercise, you need to rewrite the following as negative sentences. In the third exercise, you have to rewrite the sentences in negative sentences. Affirmative sentences are written. You have to write it down the negative sentences. जैसा हमने यहाँ पे किया, the same you have to do there. Okay? Now let's see the second one. Don't pluck the flowers. Keep is not as if you can.
મમ્મી આ કપ લઈ જઈને હાથ પીનો કરીને લેતી આવ.
Beta, worried. You have to mute yourself and properly talk to your mother and father and your teachers and friends. What is this tu and ta? You must say, Mama, can you please dip this cup into the water and bring it again? Likewise you need to speak. Okay, ये तो हमने सुना, नहीं सुना तो तब सीखते ही नहीं कभी. आपको आपसे बात करना है, सबसे. तू से कोई बात नहीं करेगा किसी से भी. Whether it is your mother, whether it is your teacher, you have to use the language आप. It's very bad, beta. Swarit, I'm talking to you. Do you feel something or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, now let's start with the second question. If everybody's work is done, let's start with the second one. Read the instructions below. Write don't before the things we should not be doing. Put a cross where not necessary. Don't be late for the school. Write it down, don't. In the first sentence, you need to write it down, don't. I'm erasing this affirmative sentence wala part.
Ma'am, my work is not done.
Ma'am,
Kashvi, you have to write it down fast, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, let's see the next one. Next sentence में हमें करना है B1 में, question number 2 में, we are going to write don't be late for school. Don't be late for school. C1,
Yes,
don't break the queue. We will be writing don't break the queue. What is the meaning of queue? Q-U-E-U-E. What is the meaning of queue?
line means line.
The people standing in line, that is queue. Now let's see the next one. B1. D में क्या आएगा? Can anyone tell me?
What is the answer of C?
Cross.
I can.
Cross.
We should help our friends.
Yes, we should help our friends or help your friend. So we will write a cross in D1. We will write a cross in D1. Okay, learners?
Ma'am, I cannot visual your camera.
Now can you see it properly, beta?
No, ma'am.
Dancy, now can you see it properly, beta? Check your network connection, bacha. In page number 21, there are few sentences which we need to read it out. Let's read it out one by one. The cat has the tail. The cat has no tail. Then, Sita has a lot of friends. Sita has no friends. They have 3 children. They have no children. When a sentence has the verb has, have or had, we add no after the verb to make it negative. जब भी has, have या had होता है, तो हम no का use करते हैं instead of not, right? जब भी has, have और had होता है, हम no का use करते हैं to make the sentence negative. तो आपको एक्सरसाइज नंबर 3 में बिल्कुल ऐसा ही करना है. नाउ रीड द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस. बट ये एक्सरसाइज 3 के लिए था. ये इंस्ट्रक्शन जो था वो एक्सरसाइज 3 के लिए था. इफ वी सी द नेक्स्ट कंटेंट, आई हैव लॉक्ड द डोर. आई हैव नॉट लॉक्ड द डोर. द चिल्ड्रन वर लिसनिंग टू द टीचर. द चिल्ड्रन वर नॉट लिसनिंग टू द टीचर. सैम कैन स्विम वेरी वेल. Sam cannot swim very well. You will come in June. You will not come in June. अब आप पूछोगे कि मैम इसमें तो हमने हैजर था, वॉज वर था, कैन था, फिर भी हमने नॉट का यूज किया है. So let's see. The words in the sentences are made up to 2 or more words, right? Verb जो थे, जहाँ पे verbs पता है ना, action words. Everybody knows the action words. Action words अगर more than one होते हैं, we place not after the first verb. हम फर्स्ट वर्ब के बाद नॉट लगाते हैं अगर एक्शन वर्ब 2 होते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी है और एक्शन वर्ब भी है, तो हेल्पिंग वर्ब और एक्शन वर्ब के बीच में हम नॉट लगाएंगे. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन टू मेक द सेंटेंस नेगेटिव? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? एम आई क्लियर बेटा? Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Mishti. Now, question number 4, 5, 6 and homework discussion along with mind mapping. We are going to do it tomorrow, right? हम हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास में, जब हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी, it means on Monday. I guess Monday I am having the next lecture. No, Mishti, जब भी हमारी नेक्स्ट क्लास होगी, I know बेटा. In the next class, we would be doing 4, 5, 6 questions. Along with it, we would be doing the mind mapping. Okay, please remind me that we need to do 4, 5, 6 questions along with mind mapping. Okay, please remind me this. And nobody will do the work in advance. आप एडवांस में वर्क तो कर लेते हो इधर उधर से देख के, मगर आपको फिर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में नहीं आता है. Then during exam, you face difficulty. Right? So nobody will do work in advance. We will go simultaneously together. Now let's start. Attendance. Everyone has to give their yes, their presence. Let's start with Hanil Adroja. Today's date is 31. Hanil Adroja. Prachi Adroja. Okay, beta. Prachi Adroja. Prachi Adroja. हर्षिला घारा.
प्रेजेंट में.
प्रेजेंट में. राहिल अरवाडिया. राहिल अरवाडिया. राहिल इज एब्सेंट टुडे. राहिल अरवाडिया. यस, इज एब्सेंट. प्रयाग बरासरा. प्रयाग बरासरा. ऋषिव बलानी. ऋषिव बलानी. दक्ष भारद्वाज. बंसी बोरनिया. बंसी बोरनिया. राहिल अरवाडिया is present. Okay, Rahil. बंसी बोरनिया. बंसी बोरनिया. कश्यप देथरिया. कश्यप देथरिया. माही दयाल. माही दयाल. वेरी गुड माही दयाल. हितार्थ गोदासरा. हितार्थ गोदासरा. सूर्यराज सिंह जाडेजा. रोनित कलोला. अक्षर कारिया. सिया कोरबडिया. सिया कोरबडिया. सिया कोरबडिया. आर कुंडारिया. निसर्ग लौरिया. परी मकासना. कनिष्का. येशा मारवनिया. येशा मारवनिया. ध्रुवित मेहता, अर्नब पाठक, ध्रुवित, अर्नब पाठक, खुशी, श्लोक पुजारा,
Present, ma'am.
वेल डन.
Present, ma'am.
दिशिता राजा,
Name मेरे
सत्य, दिशिता राजा, सत्य सनावड़ा, दिया संतोकी, डेंसी सरावड़ा,
Dancy sir is present, ma'am.
सुमित शुक्ला, मिष्टी तन्ना.
Ma'am, Kashmir is present. Ma'am, Kashmir
Very
and Misty
good.
both are present.
Okay,
Ma'am,
beta. All right, everyone.
Bye,
Okay,
ma'am.
beta. Bye, everyone. Let's end the class here. See you all in the next class. And in today's class, I'm not going to share the PDF because हमारा chapter जब पूरा end हो जाएगा, at that time I will share you the PDF. Okay?
Ma'am, what
जब हमारा chapter होगा, बेटा homework question number 3 of page number 21. When our whole chapter is going to be end, at that time I will be sharing you the PDF. Okay, everyone?
Thank
So
you,
let's end
ma'am,
the
for
class
teaching
here.
us.
Everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us.
Welcome
And
and have a
bye.
nice day. Bye, everyone. Have a nice